Hello, welcome back to my channel Stocks Babu. On 14th November, Crompton Greaves Consumer Electricals Limited has announced their quarterly reports, and let's check it out how they performed for this quarter. And here all the figures were given in crores, so there is no need to worry about the conversion part. And to begin with, the total revenue from operations for September 2024, they made 1,896 crores, whereas for June, the revenue is 2,137 crores. And last year, September 2023, the revenue from operations is 1,782 crores. So here clearly, year on year, the revenue from operations slightly increased, whereas quarter on quarter it has been declined. And when we talk these numbers in terms of percentage wise, so here clearly, year on year, 11.5% has been declined, but quarter on quarter 11.5% declined, and year on year 6.5% increase can be seen. And when it comes to the expenses made by the company for September 2024, it is 1,742 crores, and for June 1,957 crores. Whereas last year September, the total expenses incurred by the company is 1,661 crores. So here clearly year on year we can see the expenses got increased, but quarter on quarter it has been declined. And this is a good sign for any company to reduce their expenses on quarter basis. And when it comes to the net profit for the period or PAT, they made 128 crores for September 2024, and for June 152 crores, and last year September the PAT is 100 crores. So here year on year the growth has been there, but quarter on quarter it has been declined. And when we check these numbers in terms of percentage wise, the net profit has declined nearly 17.7% quarter on quarter, and year on year 28% has been grown. And operating profit for September 2024 is 203 crores, and for June 232 crores, whereas last year September the operating profit made by the company is 174 crores. This is nearly 12.5% decline quarter on quarter, and nearly 17% increase year on year by the company. And when it comes to the earnings per share, the diluted EPS stood at 1.94 for September 2024, and for June 2.36, whereas last year it is 1.52. So here also the EPS has been increased year on year, but quarter on quarter it has been declined. Overall, the company's performance for this quarter is little bit disappointing in terms of revenues and net profit. So quarter on quarter is a disappointing results, but year on year we can see a slight increase in terms of all the segments. Overall revenue growth rose nearly 6.4% year on year, and driven by a strong performance in the electronic consumer durables and lighting segment. Growth was supported by increased conditions from premium products and innovative launches. And when it comes to the profitability for this company, the net profit has jumped nearly 28% year on year to 125 crores, with margins expanded by 90 basis points to 10.7%, primarily due to cost optimization and better product mix. So here we can see the expenses were decreased slightly quarter on quarter. This is the major reason why the profitability has been marginally increased. And when it comes to the segment performance, the ECD segment achieved a 13% growth year on year and leads to 1393 crores, and led by non-ceiling fan sales and smooth transition of energy efficiency BIS norms. The pumps category grew nearly 20% year on year, benefits from demand in residential and solar applications. And the lighting also improved year on year, nearly 6% growth can be seen. And when it comes to the challenges for this company, input cost pressures from regular transitions from BEE norms are partially offset by pricing actions and cost controls. Premium products in fans and applications often significant headroom for future growth. Overall, the outlook of the company continues to focus on invention, sustainability, and market expansion under Crompton 2.0 strategy. Management is optimistic about growth in high margin segment and scaling of new product categories. Overall, the Crompton Grave is leveraging products differentiation and operational efficiency to maintain momentum despite some cost headwinds. For investors, these results indicate robust fundamental and growth potential across the key segments. So this is all about Crompton Grave Consumer Electricals Limited. Thank you.